Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the original Infinix fast charger and a certified cable. Third-party cables often limit current. Once done, inspect the USB-C port and cable ends. Debris or bent pins block contact and reduce charging speed. Next, restart the phone to clear temporary software glitches, then plug in and wait 10 minutes to observe whether the device shows the fast charge indicator. If charging starts slowly, don't panic. You've completed the essential first checks and can move to deeper diagnostics. Now you dive into settings. Make sure battery saver and aggressive app restrictions are off because they cap charging speed. Also exclude the system charging service from optimization. Check for and install system updates since firmware tweaks often fix charging issues. To pinpoint software causes, boot into safe mode. If fast charging returns, a third-party app is the culprit. For hardware verification, use a USB power meter or alternate original charger to compare current and voltage. This tells you whether the charger or phone is limiting fast charge. For final resolution, swap in another known good original Infinix fast charger and cable to isolate the faulty component. If performance returns, replace the defective accessory. If hardware still fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate persistent software corruption. When that does not help, take the phone to an authorized service center so technicians can test the charging IC, port, and battery. These parts commonly cause fast charge failure. Troubleshooting tip: if the phone heats excessively while
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.